Good morning. I am Adrienne Freeman Chappell, also known as, or better known as, Chalises of Chalises Heavenly Inspired. That is my company. That's the business that I run daily. I've been doing this, actually 2023 is my 10th year in business doing Chalises Heavenly Inspired. I've done many other things prior to Chalises Heavenly Inspired, but for 10 years, I've been doing bath and body, skincare, pain relief, men's grooming, yoni care, and all sorts of other things that we'll talk about as this video and as my channel progresses. All right. Now, right now, I'm on my way to work at my shop, Chalises Heavenly Inspired, and I'm driving. But I just had this to say to you. I wanted to introduce myself, but I'll get back with you once I get to work. Talk to you later. Bye. All right. I have made it to Chalises. I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what's going on in front of me. All right. So here we are. This is Chalises Heavenly Inspired. Welcome. Okay. And here we are. It is not all together because, of course, after the holiday season, it has become a mess. Not so much in my storefront, but check this out. Oh, I'm almost ashamed. I did get a little organization going. I still have some more to do. This is where I do a lot of my Cricut work, you know, t-shirts, monogramming my bags. Oh, look at my dolls. I did those too in a past life. But I do creative work here. There's some dolls. I've got to set up a space for them. But I do monogramming mugs and cups. So I've got my glitters and beads and vinyls here. My Cricut machine. And here. Whew, this is skincare. This is my baby. This is my passion. All of it is, but skincare has my heart. And I have a massive amount of things to do it. This is my office space. Oh, Lord. But anyway, this is where I do, my helper does her work. I have totally made it chaos since she's been gone on the Christmas break or the holiday break. But I'm going to try to get it together before she comes back. But here's my tables where I do my butters, my men's care, and everything. My bottles, my fragrances, oils, bottles and jars. And then these are my things, I guess, the things that I use when I go out to do market events. So I've got my tables and my chairs and my crates and things like that. And this is where I keep all my packaging material. And this is my kitchen. Yeah, it's a mess. But this is just me. It will be cleaned up because I can't work. I don't know about you. I cannot work in a chaotic mess. So I got to get busy. We'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. And by the way, if you're interested in seeing more videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll get back to you. Of course, the more interest there is, the more I'll come back and engage with you guys too. So I'd love to see you again. Have a great day and Happy New Year 2023.